Students, to find business writing resources, go to the library's website and on the main search engine for Primo, then you're going to type in business writing. Once business writing results appear, then you can go here to the side and you can go ahead and choose online as the filter and say apply filters. Once you apply the filters, then you can see if there are other ways you want to apply more filters. For instance, you could go to the format section, and if you know you want to look at an article or a chapter from a book or a news article or video, then you could choose what you want to use. I'm going to say text resources. And when I said text resources, you can see from my list, it doesn't all come up as business writing exactly. So I may want to go back and revise that filter. So what I want to do is go here, follow my cursor, and I'm going to remove text resources. And I still have all online resources, however. I think I will go to books. And I will go over here to the side and I will only choose something that's an online book because that means I can look at it online. And so here I see business writing is the title of this book and it says online access. I might choose it. The author is Mary Condren. Or here's another one titled business writing, which it has online access. If you can see from my screen, there's also business writing for dummies, business writing for technical people. So it's really easy. There are tons of resources within your library for business writing. So I made this quick video to let you know that it should not be difficult to find something to use for this week's discussion. Thank you.